Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we're taking you on a journey through a serene, Hygge-inspired retreat in the snowy mountains. Surrounded by towering trees and wrapped in tranquility, this cabin is a perfect blend of warmth, simplicity, and natural beauty. Let's step inside and experience the peace and comfort it offers. As we enter the cabin, the entryway immediately sets a tranquil tone. It's a transition space, thoughtfully designed to ease the shift from the brisk mountain air to the warmth within. The soft glow of pendant lights illuminates the natural wood details, creating a gentle ambiance. A small bench sits invitingly by the door, perfect for slipping off snow-covered boots, while textured rugs add a sense of grounding and comfort. This space feels intentionally understated, a prelude to the coziness that lies ahead. Pause here for a moment, and you'll notice the faint scent of pine wood mingling with the crisp freshness of winter, a sensory reminder that this home is deeply connected to its surroundings. The living room is the heart of this snowy retreat, where warmth and tranquility come together in perfect harmony. A grand stone fireplace anchors the room, its crackling fire spreading a soft, golden glow that makes the space feel alive and inviting. Surrounding the fireplace, plush seating with textured throws and pillows beckons you to sink in and relax, creating a sense of comfort that's impossible to resist. The large windows on one wall are like living portraits, framing the pristine beauty of the snow-covered forest. Natural light floods the space during the day, while at night, the moonlight casts a silver sheen, adding to the serene ambience. The design is intentionally simple yet elegant, with natural tones of wood, stone, and muted textiles blending seamlessly into the environment. This room is more than a place to gather. It's a space to connect with loved ones or find peace in solitude. Whether you're sharing stories around the fire, sipping on a warm drink, or simply gazing out at the snow, the living room offers a perfect escape from the cold, embodying the essence of Hygge. If you're enjoying this cozy escape, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more inspiring home tours. Moving into the kitchen, we're greeted by a space that balances functionality and comfort effortlessly. The layout is open and airy, with a design that encourages lingering moments rather than rushed tasks. The soft palette of muted whites and light wood mirrors the snowy environment outside, creating a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. In this kitchen, every element has been chosen with care. The open shelving displays simple, earthy ceramics that add to the space's rustic charm, while sleek, modern appliances are subtly integrated, ensuring they don't disrupt the room's organic feel. You can almost hear the gentle hum of a kettle on the stove, promising a warm cup of tea after a brisk walk in the snow. The dining area, situated just beyond the kitchen, is equally inviting. A handcrafted wooden table anchors the room, surrounded by chairs draped with soft, knitted throws. A cluster of pendant lights overhead casts a warm, intimate glow, perfect for sharing meals with loved ones or enjoying a quiet breakfast alone. Large windows here bring in soft, natural light, while offering serene views of the snow-covered landscape outside. Stepping into the master bedroom feels like entering a personal sanctuary, designed to cradle you in comfort. The muted color palette, inspired by nature, features soft grays, warm beiges, and earthy browns. A low platform bed, dressed in layers of linen and wool, sits at the center of the room, inviting you to sink into its embrace. The design is intentionally minimalist, allowing the surrounding landscape to take center stage. A wide picture window frames a breathtaking view of the mountains, and when you wake, the first thing you'll see is the gentle morning light filtering through the snow-laden trees. Unique touches, like a woven wall, hanging, or a handmade bedside lamp, bring a subtle, personal charm to the space. There's a quiet luxury here, an understanding that comfort isn't about excess, but about thoughtful, deliberate choices. The bathroom is a spa-like retreat, crafted to help you slow down and recharge. A deep, freestanding bathtub takes pride of place, positioned near a window to offer stunning views of the snowy forest while you soak. Imagine sinking into warm water, steam rising into the air, and letting the stresses of the day melt away. Natural stone and wood materials dominate the design, creating a harmonious, organic feel. The soft, ambient lighting adds a touch of warmth, transforming the space into a haven of relaxation. A spacious walk-in shower with subtle tilework reminiscent of mountain streams completes the room. Here, the outside world fades away, leaving you with nothing but peace and tranquility. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful journey through our Hygge-inspired snowy mountain retreat. If you loved this cozy escape and felt inspired by the warmth and simplicity of this design, please take a moment to like the video and share your favorite part of the home in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more serene home tours, design inspiration, and breathtaking escapes. Your support helps us continue creating content that inspires and delights. Until next time, stay warm, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.